find that? Did you just click away?
Yeah.
Okay, so what the trick to this is, we got to create a part body. Well, first off, I'll just go create a cylinder. What? Where's my cylinder? Evolve. Oh, we don't have that command anymore, do we? Alright, so let's do this. I'm going to go generative shape design. I'm going to create a cylinder. What's going on here? Oh, I got to exit my customize. So I'm going to create a cylinder at 0, 0 in the Z direction, radius 0.8125, length 42 inches, length 2 will be 0, select OK. Oh, actually, I'm going to make this easier. I'm just going to make these numbers easy. We'll go 50. Okay, and then I'm going to switch to part design. And whoops, I'm looking for the close feature. Oh, David. We know. Close that cylinder. Okay, so I have a closed surface, solid, sorry. And just for kicks, we're gonna do pattern, and the current solid, we're gonna go along the Y direction. Just for kicks, we'll do 5 of these and space them out 10 inches. But I'm going to change this to unequal. Make this one 15. Make this one 15. Ugh. Make this one 15. Okay, so I can do unequal spacing for this. And then I'm going to go back to generative shape design, create a cylinder, create a point. We'll go 5 inches in the Z direction, minus 5 inches in the Y direction. I'll go along the Y direction, I don't know, 80 inches. I forgot what I was using for numbers. Whoops. What did I just do? Where's my cylinder?
Hide.
Yeah, that's adorable. I forgot I hid that. Okay, so I don't need to be 80 inches. Was 50 enough? No, it's not. How about 70? Okay, it doesn't really matter. It can stick out like that. And what I'm going to do is pop back into part design. And then in part design, I'm going to create a new body. So I'm going to create this new body here. And was that body? Why is that body up there? I'm going to close that. Say OK. I'll hide the geometrical set now. Whoops, what did I do? Isn't that this one? I swear I grabbed that one. I'm going to pick this cylinder and close it. So I should be able to hide the geometrical set. Okay, apparently I didn't. So now I'm going to take that closed solid and we're going to pattern that. In the Z direction. Okay, and you can change all the spacing whatever you want. We can go ahead and do a unequal spacing. Change this to 12. Okay, select OK to that. Now I have one body that represents the horizontal and one body that represents the vertical. So under structure, they have a union trim command. You can do the opposite of what I'm going to do using remove lump, but I'm going to do union trim. You have to be kidding me. Union trim, I'm going to grab this one. And then see where it says faces to remove? And faces to keep will do the opposite. All you have to do is click on the outside. See what it's doing? It's automatically removing them at the intersection. So when I was in tooling, actually I wasn't in tooling, I was a CATIA focal in Renton for the tooling group, seeing how they were doing things. When they were doing the handrails, we started showing them to use this technique. So again, under the trim command, all you got to do is select on the faces you want to remove. Hey, what's going on? I guess I didn't highlight face to remove. You guys see how easy that is? I just click on the face that I want to remove and you can actually see it disappearing. So on V5 it didn't used to do that. It would just highlight it in purple, letting me know that's a face, but here you actually kind of get a visual as you're clicking on the parts. What's going to happen when you remove those faces. I'll select OK. And you see how it's able to just automatically trim everything. So I didn't worry about working to the very limits or the center lines or everything. I just shot the lines way past everything and used this structures union trim.